Today at KBCRPF Pallipuram, we are ready for the inauguration of Open Gym cum Fitness Zone. On the onset, I extend my heartiest welcome to Chief Guest of the Day, Honorable Deputy Commissioner, KBSRO Ernakulam, Shri R. Senthil Kumar sir. Sir, welcome, and I hope your suggestion and guidance will further improve the vision of Fit India. I take this opportunity to extend my warm welcome to Honorable Assistant Commissioner and the Regional Sports Cell Head, Shrimati Deepti Nair Madam. The esteemed presence of Madam will definitely be a source of inspiration to all of us. Welcome, Madam. I also welcome our Honorable Assistant Commissioner, Sri Santosh Kumaran, for his gracious presence over here. Sir has suggested to develop sports facilities to students in this year, so we are looking forward to get some new suggestions in this regard. My loving welcome to Shri Vinu Ashokan sir, Sports Cell KBS Headquarters, New Delhi. He remained a source of constant guidance in completing this project. Sir, welcome and thanks a lot for time to time suggestion. I respectfully welcome our cluster in charge, Shri Ajay Kumar sir, and all the Trivandrum cluster principals for joining us. I welcome all my dear students, although right now you are not able to use this facility, but I pray to Almighty God that after summer vacation, all of you must be in Vidyalaya for better interaction and all around development. Last but not least, my welcome to all my team members of KBCRPF Pallipuram. Without your continuous support and effort, it could not be possible to develop this beautiful open fitness zone. Once again, I welcome all for their esteemed presence. Sir, this is now I request to kindly inaugurate our open gym.
Yeah.
So just
it's my privilege. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I just announce?
Sound button. We live in an era where lifestyle diseases are a growing concern. Easy access to free fitness equipment seems almost too good to be true. Introducing our staff and students to this truly holistic fitness experience is an open-air gym installed in the campus. Declaration on the allotment of open gym came on 26 June 2020. The order was issued on 19 August 2020 regarding the supply and installation of gym equipments, and Samsung Industries Private Limited took the work. According to the order, on 20th October 2020, 8 equipment items were installed in the school premises. The outdoor fitness equipment in our open gym include back extension, rower, double sit-up board, leg press, cross trainer, double standing twister, triceps puller, seated puller. Our campus is an asset of which we must take full advantage. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, let me invite Shri Binu Ashokan, sir, Special Officer, National Sports, sir, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sankatnan Headquarters, New Delhi, for the address. Sir, please.
Good morning, all respected members. Am I audible, madam? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, audible.
Binu, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Respected Deputy Commissioner Senthil sir, Assistant Commissioner Deepthi Nair madam, and Santosh Kumar sir, respected Amit ji, Principal in Charge KVCRPF Pallipuram, and my former fellow colleagues of KVCRPF Pallipuram, and students. KV Pallipuram is very lucky enough to get a very sophisticated open gym in the first phase, because it was my dream to develop some or other activities based facilities in our Ernakulam region. And out of 310 schools, the first phase, around 157 schools were given chances for installation, and it was a fight to which region it has to be given, which school it has to be given. But it became success for our region, Ernakulam region. All 9 schools got the open gym in the first phase, because now the second phase it is doubt only, because by first phase it is going to stop. So, and we are very much again lucky that no fund will be taken from the RSCB or from the VVN. The total installation charges will be given from the NSCB fund, and the first 50% has already been given to the firm from Delhi region. So in this, by looking after all these things, we are very lucky enough to get a free of cost open gym item. As the old staff of KV Pallipuram, again I am just repeating that I am very much happy to see the open gym of KVCRP Pallipuram, and this photo, when it was given by Amit ji yesterday, was passed on to our officers, and they told that these photos have to be sent to the ministry, because KVJNU's open gym was one of the topmost. Now we have overtaken them, and our open gym is having a very, very high glamour. So it will be looked after by me that these photos will be sent to the ministry for their reference. Then, as everyone, that is our staff, knows that our Vidyalaya KV CRPF Pallipuram was in silent mode for the past 5 to 6 years. Now, very actively, we are starting with various active facilities in the Vidyalaya. And I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Subhash Vasu, TGT English, who was regularly in touch with the sports cell headquarters, and he was doing all the things as per the protocols and SOPs of the KVs installation work, in which Mr. Biju of KV Pangod supported KV CRPF Pallipuram for the first phase of installation, because the first phase was the important one, and because of that it became the success. And I request all the students, staff and parents also to make of this open gym facilities very nicely, to keep everyone fit and be happy. And it's a humble request to the principal in charge and the other staff not to lock the open gym. Open gym is installed in an open place, and the students can utilize the facilities at any time of their choice. So please see that it is not locked, the drills are not locked, let it be open, and once the children get educated through the system of working of the equipments, naturally they will do it very nicely. This is the only humble request. I thanks the KV CRPF Pallipuram team led by Mr. Amitji for giving me an opportunity to speak and come live for the opening ceremony. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Binu sir. Readiness is great, difficulties cannot be great. We are all very grateful to you. Continue your unwavering enthusiasm and also support for KV CRPF Pallipuram. Thank you very much, sir. Next, we have with us another luminary from KVS RO Ernakulam, our Honorable Assistant Commissioner, Mr. Santosh Kumar N. I deem it my honor to invite Santosh Kumar sir for the felicitation. So please.
A very good morning to one and all present in this online meeting. Respected Deputy Commissioner KVS RO Ernakulam, Sri Santosh Kumar sir, Assistant Commissioner Srimati Kirti Nair Madam, Principal KV Pallipuram, Sri Amit Gupta, Sri Binu Ashokan from Kendriya Vidyalaya Headquarters, teachers and students of KV Pallipuram. KV Pallipuram is luckiest among all the schools in Ernakulam region, because the items provided are well arranged in such a manner that it is well protected from sight, but it is an open place, and the surroundings are also well maintained. I request each one of you, the staff, especially those who are living around the school, maybe in quarters or around the school, and also when the schools function normally, when children come, they also should utilize it effectively so that the concept of this open gym become more and more fruitful. I know the decision for this open gym was taken in 2018. I remember one meeting, I think Deputy Commissioner's meeting in 2018, when I attended from Patna region. It was well explained there what they are planning, how it should be implemented, and what type of items they are procuring. And only in 2020 it was distributed and installed. I am very sure that especially in this Corona pandemic, we are all locked in our homes or in our surroundings. So make use of this facility very well, and I wish this can be very much useful for all the staff members available every day coming to school also, and all children in and around in this pandemic situation, and that will make them more and more physically active and keep them fit. And once again, wish all of you great success in all the endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your blessings and wishes. Now, let me take this opportunity to invite Srimati Deepti Madam, Assistant Commissioner in charge of Regional Sports Cell, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sankirtan, Ernakulam region, for the address. Ma'am, please.
Most esteemed Deputy Commissioner, KVS Ernakulam region, Shri R. Senthil Kumar sir, Assistant Commissioner, Shri Santosh Kumar sir, and I can also see Principal KVAFS Akulam, Kumara Mohan sir, and I suddenly realized he was the earlier Vice Principal of KV Palipuram. Principal in charge of KV Palipuram, Mr. Amit Gupta, and Binu sir, our Special Officer in the National Sports Cell, all staff members and children who are participating in this inauguration of the Open Gym. Good morning to all of you. Thank you for the very nice welcome, Amit sir, and the beautiful prayer rendered by the teacher. So first of all, congratulations to Team Palipuram for this Open Gym. And like Santosh sir, we were just discussing, very nicely arranged, reasonably, I mean, protection as far as required, and but still open. And in the present days, when it is not at all advisable to stay within confined spaces, Open Gym is going to be very useful. Gyms in confined spaces can be a source of corona spread also, and therefore this has come at the right time. At that time when we were deciding on the schools or on this Open Gym, no one ever thought of corona. But anyway, now it has been installed, and where we are stuck with no exercise or within our homes, this has come at the right moment. Please encourage its maximum use, because a lot of resources we have, and if it is not used, the aim behind it will fail. Our duty is to sensitize our children, our staff, and it was really nice to see our staff exercising on these equipment. So it shows that all of you have already been given an idea of how to use it, and hope it is not just for this inauguration, but you continue to use it even after this, and it becomes a regular practice. The other thing about Open Gym is that sometimes children are scared of, they are shy of competing. This at least will make them aware of physical fitness without the threat of competition. They can use it formally as well as informally, as and when they have time. So we hope to see KV Palipuram really putting it to good use. And congratulations once again to all members. Thank you all for having us here for the ceremony. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, madam. May I request our Deputy Commissioner, sir, for giving his valuable thoughts, suggestions, and thoughts of wisdom. Deputy Commissioner, sir.
Respected Assistant Commissioners, Principals, Mr. Jyoti Mohan, Mr. Kumara Mohan ji, Mr. Binu Aswan, and Mr. Amit Gupta, dear teachers and my dear young colleagues, students who have joined in this August function of opening your Open Gym inauguration ceremony. Very good morning to all of you. It gives me a lot of pleasure in this pandemic situation, thinking about health, doing something with related to health. No doubt that health is wealth, but most often we think about it, but we do very less about it. So time has come that we do more about health rather than thinking about health. I congratulate the school for having given it this shape, because I was there during my inspection. It was just installed without the base, and I had a discussion. In fact, it used to be very hot over there, and so we were even thinking of having a roof on that. Eventually, I think this can be done, and I congratulate Mr. Amit and his team for having brought this into this shape. The kind of love that we have for this project is very much evident. It is not just kept in a way like it's just given and so we are keeping it. No, there is a lot of effort and thoughtfulness have gone into that, and the love for physical activities being evincing. And I really, it is very inviting. This is what is most important thing in a school situation. Whatever you do, it should be very attractive for children to enter and start doing it. Right from the flooring, coloring, and display, everything is very fine. And I not only congratulate, I also thank all those members, because without your hard work, it cannot come this shape. You must have worked a lot for bringing it to this shape. And so I would like to wholeheartedly thank those who have contributed to bringing it to this shape. Now coming to the use of it, and I already, my colleagues have spoken to it. It's open, the spirit of openness should be there. Well, we can have a target for teachers this year again. In the nearest future, we don't have any possibility of calling our children, and that is why let us give a target for their health. Actually, it is not official. I'm unofficially announcing from Mr. Amit to motivate your teachers. Please tell them to go and check their lipids, check their weight,
Sure.
their blood sugar, and have a diary made for them, and tell them to use it at least half an hour a day, either morning or evening. They can come and keep their outfits over there, and they are allowed during the duty time, no problem. I'm telling them half an hour to 1 hour, they are free to do the exercise, and then keep updating me. Maybe after 3 months, if you can show me that my teachers have reduced weight, their lipids have improved, and their sugar has come down, it will be very, very useful. And there are two benefits. One is that my own colleagues' health is maintained, will be very happy. Another thing is, when the teachers are not shy to go do outdoor activities. When a teacher is found in the market cycling and doing your buying your sabji, definitely my students are not going to use their moped, or they are not going to use their scooter, or they are not going to ask their parents to drop. There will be a lot of people who will be getting inspired. They may be start using cycles. They may start going on walking to do something. So wherever possible, they are supposed to do. This shy, many children want to do physical activity, but then by nature, they are very shy, so they don't want to come into the ground. So teachers leading them in using this will definitely pave way for many students using it. And that is why let us have that this open gym may be useful to, first of all, those who are already present in the school, and so that it will be much more useful when we invite students over there. Once again, I thank you for making this possible, and I thank you for inviting all of us for this inauguration program. I thank all members who are present here for this wonderful program. Once again, let's promote health among public. Let us promote health among ourselves. Let us not hesitate to do physical activities. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thanks a lot. Definitely we'll try to make our BMI up to the mark.
Good. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Working both behind the scenes and on the front lines is a remarkable group of committed faculty members who make everything possible. As the right person, may I call upon Mr. Subhash Vasu, TGT English, and in charge Open Gym, to place on record a little bit about the trail that led to this venture. So please.
Yes, am I audible, madam? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Respected and Honorable Assistant Commissioner, Entry Media Sankatan, Ernakulam Region, Chandra Kumar sir. Respected and Honorable Assistant Commissioner, Santosh Kumar sir, Entry Media Sankatan, Ernakulam Region. Honorable Assistant Commissioner, Deepthi Nair Madam, Regional Sports Cell, KVS Regional Office Ernakulam. Sri Binu Ashokan sir, National Sports Cell, KVS Headquarters, New Delhi. Our respected and beloved Amit Gupta sir, in charge principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya CRPF Pallipuram, and dear learned colleagues. Today is indeed a delighted day for me, being the in charge of this open gym. So my humble efforts with the entire team came into a real one. As we all know that the country is witnessing such a COVID pandemic situation. So what all we would like to implement, challenges are many in front of us. But in the midst of all these obstacles, I got wholehearted support from all the authority wherever I sought the help. So even though a little bit delay occurred there in its final phase, we could successfully implement it. And as you know, already our Honorable Deputy Commissioner Sir has said, whenever we the teachers take initiative for doing something, definitely our students will observe that. So now, even though the students are not visiting the school, with the staff members, would like to utilize the facility, and let's pray to God that as early as possible, then our children may visit the school so that they can utilize maximum all its benefits for this one. And on this occasion, I would like to express my great gratitude to Binu Ashokan sir from Sports Cell KV headquarters, because as sir has told, out of the 1,245 Kendriya Vidyalayas across the country, only 310 Kendriya Vidyalayas were selected for installation of this open gym, and our school has been one among them. So sir has shown that interest or that initiative. So we are really indebted to sir for this great initiative. And for installation of this one and the remaining work, ground flooring, the flooring work and the fencing work, I sought help from many people, especially the former in charge, Madam Lakshmi Devi. Then our Bismi Madam, primary teacher from our sports department, KBCRPF Pallipuram. And in between, Biju sir came from KV Pang, physical education teacher. Sir's supervision was effectively there, which had helped me a lot to finalize the ultimate measurements and all technical issues like that. Then finally, while after implementing all the settlement of the bill and all the technical side, I got a lot of help from Sudhira Madam, the PGT commerce teacher from our school, and for overall in charge, Maria Parvati Madam, PGT biology. She was there every time to help me and inquire about the present progress, what all the things to be done next, like that. So on this occasion, I do remember everybody's wholehearted support and guidance in time for fulfilling the wonderful dream in our school. And as our DC sir has said, we have to utilize it would be open for available for the working hours. So my colleagues, I am requesting everyone to utilize it, be healthy, be safe, because as we know, our work has changed a lot. Earlier, with the teacher style of teaching in front from it one, utilize it, make the area very neat. Is there for thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Gratitude blue which springs from the soul. May I invite Mrs. Lakshmi Devi, Madam, PGT Physics, for proposing the vote of thanks. Ma'am, please.
Thank you Srimati Shami Madam. An Arabian proverb reminds he who has hope that everything in this life most probably is Ernakulam region. Assistant most respected Sri Santosh Kumar sir. Assistant Commissioner, KVS.
Ma'am, you're not audible. Your voice is breaking.
Okay, ma'am. Madam is saying it's not audible. Okay, thank you. Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Sri R. Senthil Kumar sir, Deputy Commissioner KVS Ernakulam Region. Esteemed Guest of Honor, Srimati Deepti Nair Madam, Assistant Commissioner and in charge Regional Sports Cell, KVS Ernakulam. Most respected Sri R. N. Santosh Kumar sir, Assistant Commissioner. Sri Binu Ashokan sir, in charge Sports Cell, KVS Headquarters, New Delhi. Most respected Principals of Trivandrum Cluster, Sri Kumar Mohan sir, Sri Jyoti Mohan sir. Respected in charge Principal of KVCRPF Pallipuram, Sri Amit Gupta. My dear colleagues and my dear students. This gym, which has been inaugurated today by our Deputy Commissioner, will definitely fulfill the dreams and aspirations of generations of youngsters. And KVCRPF Pallipuram family extends our heartfelt thanks to all those who has helped to make this gym a reality in our Vidyalaya. I feel highly honored and privileged to propose vote of thanks to all dignitaries who are present here in today's virtual meet. And I first of all thank our Deputy Commissioner Sri Senthil Kumar sir for his inspiring words. Sir, your motivations message will definitely encourage us to do better in our future events. And this function is successful because of your blessing, sir. I take this opportunity to extend most sincere thanks to you on this occasion. Now my heart goes to thank our Assistant Commissioner, Srimati Deepti Nair Madam. And Madam, we are very much thankful to you for providing this proud moment to Kendriya Vidyalaya CRPF Pallipuram. And I take this opportunity to thank you for your valuable words and guidance. I must mention special thanks to our Assistant Commissioner Sri Santosh Kumar sir, a mentor, motivator, and a guide who was with us for the past 1 year, guiding us in all the activities of the Vidyalaya. Sir, I would like to thank you for your gracious presence today and your valuable message.
Thank you.
I'll be failing in my duty if I do not mention the name of our beloved Sri Binu Ashokan sir, whose enthusiastic leadership has made this gym a reality in our Vidyalaya. So we, the team of KVCRP Pallipuram, extend our heartfelt thanks to choose our Vidyalaya for establishing this gym. And we expect the same type of cooperation and guidance from your side throughout your period there and thereafter. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
My sincere thanks and appreciation to our in-charge principal, Sri Amit Gupta, for his committed involvement and to be as a catalyst to stimulate us to do our work in the best possible way. Opportunity to thank our in-charge principal, Sri Amit Gupta sir, for his untiring efforts to make this Kendriya Vidyalaya a better place to work with. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all my colleagues who are always there with their committed work to make every function a successful one. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
With all these blessings, wishes, and gratitudes, we assure you the KVS ERPF Pallipuram will march forward with new hopes. And when our children come back, we will make use of this open gym to the fullest. And also we assure you, sir, we will make use of the open gym in a very successful or fruitful way. Thank you very much.
Thank you, DC sir. Thank you, SC sir.
Thank you.
Madam.
Thank you all of you, and take care. Very nice meeting all of you on this platform. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. I sign off.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Children, you may please leave the meet.